Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson, here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip is something that occurred to me today, that so many people come to Tàijíquán or Qigong or similar, and they drop out. They stay for a class or a time, and then they're gone, and they got what they could out of it, I suppose, including the idea that it's not for them, or it's not for them just now, or this class or teaching style is not for them. That's fine. But I was kind of thinking about the people that stick with it for quite a long time, maybe years, but they never seem to generate the valuing of or the enthusiasm for some of the other aspects of the art, whether they're healing or martial or competing or weapon forms or push hands or whatever it might be. And it's very easy for those of us who are really engaged and want to do it all and value the comprehensive possibilities of the art to kind of think of that in some kind of a negative way. Like, oh, you're missing out. How do I push you or pull you or get you to start, doing the spear form or whatever? And I thought it'd be very important just to value the elegant simplicity of somebody who understands exactly why they're doing it. And it might be for them as simple as trying not to fall as they get older because their sister did and then she went in the nursing home. It might be just trying to manage their arthritis, and that's really all they want out of it. Is there more Tàijíquán can offer? Yes. Maybe they're just trying to live a little bit longer than their parents did. Maybe it's a bit more social. It's a chance to move in a way that's easy, satisfy some urge by their doctor to get physical, and then see a few of their friends out in the grassy area of town, and then have coffee on Tuesday mornings. So the Tàijíquán tip for today is to try and recognize that possibility, maybe in the abstract, maybe in a particular example, and value it, and try and remember that not everybody needs to be pushed. Maybe we can open them to the awareness of these other things, but we can't make them value them. And what we can do is learn to value how beautiful, concise, and elegant their valuing of Tàijíquán is, however limited. But they stick around for a long time, and that's to be honored, respected, and appreciated. Thank you.